All right, good morning, Hudson Board of Trade. We're looking at JP Morgan this morning. This is for Off the Grid Dave, OTG. Off the Grid. And so he's got a professor, and he was introducing a trade in JP Morgan. He was bearish, and he wanted to buy a put tree. So let's talk about a put tree and what it is. When you're long a put tree, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to buy the 105 put. It's pretty close to at the money. So when I buy a put, the graph looks like this. It has a -1 slope, right? Now at 100, the 105 put costs $3.65, kind of expensive, right? But I'm gonna make that cheaper by selling the 100 put, right? That has a +1 slope when I sell a put, and I will collect $2.05, bring the cost of the trade down to $1.60, right? Right, I can add these slopes up, I get a zero slope. Zero slopes have straight lines. So, correct my work here. All right, now there's another leg of this put tree, the 95 put. So at 95, I'm gonna sell, 95 here, I'm gonna sell another put. That has a +1 slope, right? And I will collect 70 cents to sell that put, bring the cost of the trade down to 90 cents, right? So now I can make money from 105 to 100, then I'm flat, and then I basically have to buy the stock at 95 again, all the way down to 0. For a beginner, this is what a long put tree is, right? So I have risk all the way down to 0. So for my student, the only thing I'm gonna change about this is the 80 put. I'm gonna buy that. That's a -1 slope. We can add these slopes up, getting a straight line. Now I basically made it a put Condor. And buying that put cost me 25 cents. So the cost of the trade is $1.15. And I can make $5 per share. Here at the Hudson Board of Trade, we did this 40 times for the student. Only place you can do it. If you want to learn about trades like this, or if you're interested, please watch my videos, thumbs up them, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and pass it along to a friend if you've heard them talk about derivatives. Thank you for your time.